Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, April 2nd. This is the week 3, day 4 of your science. What's the difference between a nail and a screw? The vocabulary today, the word is friction. The resistance to movement caused when two surfaces touch. Okay, this is like when you rub your hands together really fast and they get warm. That is friction. All right, I'm going to read through this and then discuss how to answer the questions. Both screws and nails are used to hold things in place. This works because of the friction between a nail or screw and the surface it is attached to. Long, thick nails or screws will create more friction than short, thin nails and screws. So longer, thicker nails and screws are best for keeping heavy things in place. The difference between a nail and a screw is how each tool changes the force we apply to it. Because a nail is a kind of wedge, some of the downward force of the hammer goes sideways. A screw, on the other hand, starts with a force that is applied by turning. The threads of a screw turn circular force into forward or backward force. But both the wedge and the screw change the direction of the force to make work easier. All right, our first question we have is why do long, thick nails hold up heavier objects than the short nails do? Okay, I think they mentioned that in the first paragraph up here. So that should help you out with that one. All right, number 2, or B, list 2 similarities between the nail and the screw. And the next one is list 2 differences. All right, and both of those are going to be found in this passage, in the second paragraph. All right, I hope that helps you guys out. Good luck today, and I will talk to you guys on the Zoom tomorrow at 10 a.m. All right, if you have any questions, message me on Remind 101 or on Class Dojo. I miss you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.